guys, Susie here. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I am super excited to be doing this video today because I am trying out a new product that I think may just change how I feel about beauty blenders in general. But I did get a package this week from Juno & Co. I actually was picked to be an ambassador for Juno & Co., which is really exciting because I really love their mission. They are a website that provides really affordable deals on makeup. So, I mean, you can literally find so many awesome beauty products on their website, and they are very inexpensive. There are items ranging from like $1 to $4. There's also items that are over $4. So you can definitely find a very wide variety of really affordable makeup. And you guys know me. I'm all about affordable, I'm all about bargain shopping, and I'm all about being thrifty, so this website perfectly sums up my life. I was sent this product to try out, and I actually was sent 2 of them, so I am going to be giving one away in a giveaway, so stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can win one of these for yourself. But yeah, this is the Juno Fusion Sponge. It's really exciting. Says here designed in California, and it comes in this little cute little box, and when you open it on up, it just has a little picture there, says less product waste, more even application. What this is a microfiber beauty sponge. Here it is. It's nicely wrapped up in this little plastic, so we'll go ahead and take this out. And the reason why I don't have any makeup on right now, and I haven't even blow dried my hair yet, and I'm wearing these little cat ear headband, is because I was going to do kind of a getting ready with me type video and also reviewing out this sponge for you guys. So can I just first off say that this feels so cute. It literally feels like a little furry sponge, and I don't know if you guys can really see all the like little hairy looking type, just, oh, it just feels so cute. It just literally feels like a little stuffed animal or something, which is kind of weird, but also really cute at the same time. And I do like the shape of it. I like how you kind of have this cut off there, so you can very easily go around your eye and do your concealer. And then it's also got this really convenient round shape, and then the flat side, which would be really nice for just kind of blending out your makeup. But yeah, you can also use this side. You can use this however you like. And there's also like this really flat end there that you can also use to get into like more tight spaces. But this just feels so soft and cute on my face. So I wanted to show you guys how this worked, and I'll also tell you at the end of the video a discount code that you guys can use on the website to save money on your order, and also how you can win one of these in my giveaway. Inside the little box there was this little pamphlet type thing. It just basically tells you how you can use this little microfiber beauty blender. So you can use it wet, which is what I'm going to do. You can use it wet to apply liquid foundations and concealers, or for doing contouring. And you basically just kind of wet it like a regular beauty blender. Just fully wet it and squeeze out the excess. Or you can also use it dry, and you can use it dry to apply loose powders, blush, and highlighters. And personally, I really don't prefer to use it dry. I personally prefer to use brushes for like blush or highlighter or powder. So I'm gonna only be using this wet, but you can if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my little microfiber sponge. I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and wet my little Juno sponge. You can see it's still the same color. It just feels slightly damp now, and it still has that same kind of furry texture, which is really cute. And let me also just add in here that this is $4 on the Juno & Co. website, so very affordable. I mean, you just can't get any more affordable on their website, and you can literally find things for $1 or $2 on their website. I'm gonna start off by using this number 7 Airbrush Away primer. This is just a little sample that I had, and I have already applied moisturizer to my face after I got out of the shower. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this, and then I will zoom you guys in so that you can see the application. Use my little sponge here, and the foundation I'm using is Revlon Color Stay Combination Oily Foundation, and this is in the shade 250 Fresh Beige. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my sponge here to apply to my face. This is how I usually apply my foundation. And then that's what it looks like there on the sponge. So you can see it really hasn't soaked into the sponge very much, not like it does a lot of beauty blenders. So that's a pretty good sign. I'm just gonna go ahead and get that all over. And I feel like I got a piece of hair there. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend this out. Okay, so I can see that there's definitely a lot more product on my face than when I use my actual little Real Techniques sponge. So that means that this sponge is not soaking up as much of the product as my Real Techniques sponge was. So that's really good. And the shape here is pretty convenient for getting right there underneath the eye, if you want to do that. And it makes it kind of easy to go around your nose as well. And I'm just kind of patting slash kind of just like a rolling motion. And this feels really soft on my face, like a really soft, fluffy beauty blender, which is really nice. Don't forget about my neck. I can definitely tell that there's a lot more product on my face versus the actual sponge itself. I mean, it does have product on there, but I can tell that a majority of the foundation that I applied onto my face is on my face and did not soak into the actual makeup sponge. So here's a more up close view for you guys, so you can see it covered pretty well. I could go in with another layer of foundation if I wanted to, but I'm kind of going for more of a casual look today, so I'm not overly worried about it, but it did cover really well. So I really do like this. I think that this is definitely worth $4, if not more. It's really nice because it's going to save you money on your foundation. You don't have to use as much foundation when you are applying this. I'll catch you back here in just a minute, and I'll give you guys that discount code and let you know how you can win one of these for yourself. So let me get ready. So I'm all done with my makeup. I'm very happy with the results. I definitely got a medium to full coverage using this Fusion makeup sponge. Really like it. I think the microfiber material definitely gives you a more flawless application, a more natural looking application, but still a really good coverage, which is something I was looking for. And the price is $4. You just cannot beat that. So I do want to show you guys really quickly here under the Juno & Co website. You can see there the website is just thejuno.co, and then it also gives you some information about this sponge, $4, and it does show you guys some different details and little makeup video clips and things with the sponge that you can look at. Also just kind of gives you some descriptions of it, so that's really nice. If you guys do want to pick this up and purchase it for yourself on the Juno.co website, I do have a discount code, and the code is just Susie, all capital letters, SUSIE. I will leave that down in my description box, and I will also leave you guys a direct link to the site, to this product, already using my discount code, so you can just go ahead and save on that. As I stated in the beginning of this video, I was sent 2 of these, and of course I only need one, so I do want to give one away to you guys. So this is a brand new one here in the package, still in the little plastic wrap and everything, and I want to give this away to you guys, but I'm not going to be giving it away here on my YouTube channel. I'm actually going to be doing my giveaway on my Instagram, which is something I've never done before. I'm really excited about it. So I will also leave a link to my Instagram page down below. You guys are going to want to go over there and follow me for this giveaway and also future giveaways, and also all my little rambling random posts that I like to post on there. I love Instagram. I love it more than Facebook. I love it more than any other form of social media. I just think it's really therapeutic for me, and I love looking at everything on there. So I do want to do a giveaway on there. Definitely go follow me and you can find out how you can win this for yourself. We'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you to the Juno.co for sending this to me and also for sending me an extra one to give away to you guys. So a big thanks to them, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day or night or whatever is where you are, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.